The Mayawa for phase 1 is 8.9.
Okay, and then
The
8.9 po yun, di ba? So 8.9.
That's for the
And then,
Sec, para lang ano tayo klaro ha, 8.9 including variation orders. If you exclude the variation orders,
question, Mr. Chairman, is the
DC,
budgetary cost estimate.
yes, including. Kasi when they estimated it first, wala pang variation order. It was only 8.1.
budget
No,
cost
but the awarded kasi is 8.06.
8.06 is the award.
But the budgetary cost estimate is
Is
8.9.
8.9.
No,
So,
that was,
talking
no,
about-
you're talking about the ABC. Ang nanalo was 8.06.
So
Mhm.
the 8.9 is the budgetary cost estimate. There's a difference to the actual amount awarded. There's a difference din sa budgetary cost estimate. At meron ding difference pag pinasok na yung variation order. But what I'm interested right now is how much is the budgetary cost estimate?
It's 8.9 billion for the budgetary cost estimate. The ABC is 8.5. And the
Yun
award,
po. Tapos, dumagkano ho yung budgetary cost for the fit out? Estimate. Budgetary cost estimate.
ilan? So it's 2.5.
And for the works to complete, what is the ano yung budgetary cost estimate?
For the work to complete, it's 7.359 billion pesos.
Eh, di meron ba kayong calculator? Pwede mo paki-total. $18.7 billion. Tama po ba? So tama po na on your documentation, there's no such thing as 23 billion for DPWH. So I think yung Saksadain, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-apologize. Because wala naman.
Ito yung presentation nila. Nandyan yung 21.7 billion. If you add the land cost, it's 23 billion.
But
This was submitted by them.
But we're talking about, may documentation ba kayo tungkol dun sa land cost? Dumadaan ba sa inyo yung pera ng land
No.
cost?
Senator Nancy, ang present niya...
Mr. Chairman, what we're talking about, building.
Yeah,
Hindi yung
please,
trabaho.
Ma'am, let's calm down so that we can get the numbers right. I showed the video na ang sinasabi niya 5.7, which mismong yung dokumento...
Mr. Chairman, even if dun sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media. And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng number sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So anong problema?
Mr. Chairman, ang tinatanong ko, per documentation ng DPWH.
Ito documentation nila, 21.7.
Is that
21.7 plus 3. Hindi DPWH ang sinabmit ko sa media at hindi yun ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero.
Actually,
Ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero galing sa SCT na mga staff mo.
Madam,
So what's the issue?
Actually, Chairman, parang nagkakamali ho ata kayo dun sa presentation.
What's the
nyo dun
issue?
Sa phase 3, sa records niyo ba, it's 10 billion?
Records
Well, your
records
answer
to
to
ng
the-
SCT, Senator Binay, that was given to me by the SCT. Who are your staff?
Wait,
So what's
Mr.
the problem?
Chairman,
No, ma'am, ginugulo mo yung hearing eh. Wala namang kailangang magulo. Yan ang sinabmit sa akin. So kung sasabihin mo mali, edi ano yung tamang number?
Sir
Yan
Chairman,
po ang sinabmit sa akin, galing ng staff mo.
Pinag-uusapan natin ngayon yung
Yung to-
style ng DPWH.
Yes, and ang
So-
pinag-uusapan namin ni Sec Sadain, yung sinabi niyang 5.7 na 7 point something pala.
In the proper context. Kasi to be fair to DPWH,
Mali nga talaga sinabi niya, hindi 5.7. It was 7
you
point
cannot
something.
say to apologize for the 23
No,
billion.
you're
When,
mali yung pakinig mo.
when,
I asked them to apologize for saying it's 5.7 when in fact it was 7 point
Mr.
something.
Chairman,
No, listen to
can
me
we
first.
just go back?
Listen to me first.
Magkano yung total?
Listen to me first, Senator Nancy. I'm still the chair.
Chairman.
No, ang problema sa iyo, you keep going around saying, gusto ko makausap si Alan, gusto ko makausap si Cheese. Nagkita pa tayo sa party, may cellphone, hindi mo naman kami kinakausap, tapos manggugulo ka ngayon sa hearing. Let me continue. I told SEC na pinapalabas na walang 23B.
Because there's no
because he total, ayan yung
There's a
23B, oh. Ayan ang 23B. Ayan ang 23B na submitted ng SCT na
Yep.
staff mo, na ikaw nagsabi sa akin na wag kong tanggalin, na
Mr.
ituloy
Chairman,
ko. So what's
proper
the
context.
issue?
Anong sinabi nyo?
Oh.
Ang cost ng pagpapatayo ng building ay 23B.
Ang sabi ni
When-
Senator Escudero, so far, ang total cost ng pagkakaroon ng bagong building ay nasa 23 na.
That is
At
not
yun po ang binigay sa akin ng SCT na kasama dyan ang cost ng land. So ano ang issue? Wala naman issue. 23B talaga sinabit sa amin. If you want to tell me na mali lahat ng staff mo at may iba kang numbers, you're welcome to submit. But how can you argue with what they submitted to me? And how can we argue with what Senate President said?
You know, because proper context, when yung nag-issue ng statement, ang statement nyo ay from the original core and shell budget of 8.9 billion to a projected completion cost of 23.3 billion. And we're talking about the new Senate building project. Yung may mga component dyan na hindi bahagi ng pagko-construct ng new Senate building.
We clarified that. If you were listening, we're clarified. During the time of Senator Lacson, ang sinabi, yung 7th floor pataas, walang fit out.
Hindi yun.
You're proposing
That
na
is
may
not-
fit out.
It's not
So we will consult the 24 senators kung papayag sila ng additional billions for a fit out. So since nandito ka na rin, can you explain the 600 million na landscaping?
Mr. Chairman, I think dapat ang mag-explain yan ay DPWH because at the moment nga, wala pa yan eh. Dahil nandun pa nga kami sa point na pinag-uusapan namin
Bakit
ito.
wala pa? March 2023 yung sulat sa'yo. Natanggal naman kayo last month lang eh. So isang taon hindi rin gumalaw during your term. Tapos sasabihin nyo yung delay na sa amin. Ang sulat sa'yo, March 20,
Because,
2023.
Mr. Chairman, we're in the process of reviewing everything.
So it takes you more than a year to review everything. Kailan matatapos yung building? Ako, baka hindi ako umabot katulad ni Senator Enrile na 100 taon.
Kung ako ay nagpatuloy ng building, talagang pipilitin natin matapos.
Paano ka
In fact,
matatapos kung yung phase 3 mo, 1 taon na sa'yo at sinasabi mo ngayon, hindi yan yung numbers kasi hindi mo pa nare-review. March 20, 2023, it's already July 3, 2024, Senator. 15 months na sa mesa mo, then you have the gall to tell all of us na yung delay na sa amin. O, Mr. Aguinaldo, sabi niyo po kanina, sana madesisyonan namin kasi baka madelay. 15 buwan pala nasa mesa ni Senator Nancy. Oh.
of course not, Mr. Chairman.
Hindi, kakaamin mo lang ngayon eh. Sabi mo, wala pa yan, nire-review mo pa. Gaano katagal ba reviewin ang 600 million sa landscaping? Ito, 875 million sa security cams. Baka buong Metro Manila na yan eh. Kung nagbigay ka ng briefing paper sa akin, pag take over, at iba yung binigay ng SCT, di kinausap kita, ito binigay ng SCT. May narinig ka ba hanggang sa akin ngayon? Nagpapa-interview ba ako? Ikaw yung araw-araw nagpapa-interview, di ba? So anong issue?
Ang issue kasi, Mr. Chairman,
Ang issue yan. Dapat
pinag-usapan
nakita namin.
this is just an
Hindi mo
estimate.
estimate yan na
Estimate
pinapakirmahan sa akin na galing sa'yo. Na 1 taon na nasa mesa mo. So,
Hindi
issue
pa
yun.
yan. Siguro balikan natin yung DPWH. Nasa proseso pa tayo na hinihimay natin to. Na in fact, ang target, EMA Award na to within, ano bang target natin?
So, kung 15 buwan mo hindi hinimay, kailan mo hihimayin? 15 buwan mo hindi hinimay eh. March 20 yan, 2023, sinabit sa'yo. Na sa akin na. Alam
Mr.
nyo,
Chairman, hinihimay namin to isa-isa. In fact,
well, kaya kami project manager.
Inaabot kami ng 9 a.m. hanggang 9 ng gabi.
So, bakit nyo nga hindi nahimay ng 15 buwan? Ito yung sulat na sa akin, no? March 2020, tapos tinatanong kita ngayon, wala kang masagot sa himay. Oh,
Hinihimay
nandito
namin
tayo
isa-isa,
para
Mr.
ma-review namin.
Chairman.
Ang trabaho ko mag-review. Ang trabaho ko mag-review.
Mr.
So kung
Chairman,
gusto niyo tumulong sa review, you're welcome. Kung gusto mo pag-debate, doon tayo sa labas. Sayang oras ng Senado.
because, Mr. Chairman, hindi pa to naka-quantify ng DPWH eh. Nasa
Hindi
proseso pa.
quantify. Sila nag-submit nito eh.
Hindi pa
Paano walang quantity? Eh, sinabi na nga sa'yo.
It's an
Na kapag
estimate.
ka binid, it is pag binid to, sabi sa'yo, it's 8.5B. I-negotiate mo, it's 7.2B.
What's
Binigay
the-
sa'yo to,
Siguro, Mr.
15
Chairman,
months.
natin yung DPWH with what's the difference between the budget estimate and yung nagka-quantify na tayo ng materyales? And at the moment, nasa na tayo dun sa proseso.
The review pa rin po.
Oh.
So,
So,
di ba? Hindi, siguro, state for the record, what's the difference between a budgetary cost estimate with a detailed cost estimate?
Ma'am, nililito mo tao kasi doon sa memo sa'yo nakalagay, i-negotiate nyo na at 7.2B. Ayan,
Ay,
nandyan.
Of course not.
Nandito sa dokumento sa
Mr.
inyo.
Chairman,
15 months na sa'yo.
Mr. Chairman, it's not true. In fact, ang instruction ko is for public bidding because marami na...
Which you didn't do sa 2.375 billion, di ba?
may may explanation din yan,
Yes,
Mr.
which is my
Chairman.
explanation din sa 7.3B. Kaya ako sila tinatanong at kailangan kita tinatanong.
But the 7
Pero tinatanggi mo kahit na 15 months na sa mesa mo, tapos kung ano-ano sinasabi natin sa numero ngayon. So ang point, Senator Binay, do you want to help or gusto lang guluhin to? Kasi from the start, ginugulo mo pati yung credibility ng aming review Di ba?
Mr. Chairman, ang goal ko lang matapos ang building na to. At
Paano nga
hindi sa-
matatapos 15 buwan yung
hindi
phase 3
siya
sa mesa mo,
pati-
wala kang ginawa. Ikaw
Meron,
na nagsabi ngayon, hindi ko alam yon. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na 15 buwan to na sa mesa mo, wala kang ginawa.
may ginagawa tayo, Mr. Chairman.
Ano na ginawa mo? 15 buwan
De, unang-una,
Hanap ko
Mr. Chairman, hindi ko trabaho mag-quantify. Trabaho ng DPWH mag-quantify.
Sinabit na nga sa iyo ng DPWH yung amount. Hinahanap ko yung sulat. Can you help me, Raf? Nasaan yung sulat dito?
Sa nila,
Ayan ang linaw-linaw ng sulat, ma'am. Tao na umusga. Ayan, kayo sa media, marami kayong tanong sa akin. Ayan. Honorable Senator Maria Lourdes Nancy S. Binay, March 20, 2023, forwarded for your information reference, WTC package above project 7.359 billion, which was on the memo I gave Senator Escudero. Ayan. Based on the persistent approved RDAED. So, ma'am, yung sinasabi mong wala siyang basis, based na siya sa RDAED. And approved DAED plans and covers remaining WTC of the NSBP, except electronics auxiliary work. Costing is based on similar items in phase 1 and 2.
siguro, Mr. Chairman, tanungin natin.
Sandali lang. Let me finish kasi importante ito Ano nakalagay dyan? The estimated cost was based on the costing of existing contracts on the assumption it will be awarded through another negotiated contract with the same contractor similar to the successful negotiation of phase 2 contract with the presumption that all conditions and ganyan. Conversely, kung ibibid mo 8.54, ang nag-submit sa iyo to si Sir Assistant Secretary Molano. Nag-retire siya, hinire mo.
For 1 month.
So kung wala kang believe sa kanya at hinire mo, nire-recommend nga niya na i-negotiate mo, yan ang amount. So ba't ka galit na galit sa akin ngayon na nire-review ko yung amount na yan? 15 buwan na sa mesa mo, hindi mo pala
Wait,
ni-review.
Mr. Chairman, hindi ako nagagalit dyan sa amount na yan.
Kanina kapag galit na galit patapos na kami. Hindi ko nga maintindihan ba anong issue sa iyo sa 23B. Di bigay mo sa akin kung ano yung ibang amount, i-release ko sa media na yun yung amount. Yan yung amount na binigay sa akin ng staff mo
Kasi di ba ang pinag-uusapan ngayon is magkano ba yung cost of construction of the building?
Hindi, ang pinag-uusapan total cost ng buong building. Wala namang bumibili ng bahay na hinahati-hati yung cost. Diba?
Hindi,
Pagka ikaw ay bibili ng bahay, tatanungin mo doon sa broker o all in all, pati taxes magkano.
Hindi, pero
So,
Mr. Chairman,